welcome to another property video presentation by Kingscliff Sales and Rentals. Here we're taking off its drone, we're flying over the main beach and we're approaching the Paradiso building, which is located right in town and opposite the surf club and opposite the newly developed Rowan Robertson Park in Kingscliff. Here's a bird's eye view of the building itself, right in the main street in Kingscliff, cafes and restaurants on your doorstep. Inside the complex as well, there's an in-ground pool. We'll come back to the facilities in the building in a minute. Stepping inside the property, you go into a sunroom that's sheltered by aluminium shutters. They're lockable, by the way. Then stepping inside, you've got a generous tiled living room. It's got a split system air conditioning on the wall. Very modern inside. Kitchen has stainless steel appliances, also ceramic cooktop, dishwasher as well. Main bedroom is at the rear of the building, so it's quiet position at the rear. It's got ceiling fan, split system air conditioning on the wall, also a balcony overlooking the rear street. There's also an ensuite to the main bedroom. The second bedroom sees 2 single beds with a built-in as well, and there's also a study or third bedroom. Main bathroom as well, and internal laundry complements the picture. This property, by the way, we should point out, is only available furnished. Removing the furniture is not an option. Also in the building as well, there's a swimming pool, barbecue cabana, private grounds, communal spa pool, and mini gymnasium with steam room and another bathroom for the pool and gymnasium. Downstairs under the building, which is accessed via a lift to all levels, is the security car parking, which conveniently is not numbered and not allocated. Our last video here shows a fly down from the rear streets in Kingscliff, showing the position of the Paradiso building, which is located right in town in Kingscliff and opposite Kingscliff Surf Club. If you're interested in viewing this property, then please call the rental staff at Kingscliff Sales and Rentals on 0266 745 888. Email them for viewing times at rentals@salesandrentals.com.au, or for more information of this property, visit our website for more multiple photos on this property at salesandrentals.com.au.